Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to turn a simple V neckline into a gorgeous lace detail. The result looks like high-end couture, but it is so easy to sew. Best of all, I will share the secret to keeping your neckline completely smooth. Let's dive right into sewing. Fold the front piece in half down the exact center. Take your lace. Any width works, but mine is 6 centimeters. Quick tip, choose wider and firmer lace because it looks absolutely breathtaking on the bust. Place one end of the lace against the neckline edge and mark its width at the shoulder. Make a clear mark. Now determine your neckline depth. Mine is 12 centimeters. Connect these 2 points with a straight line and carefully cut away the excess right along the line, adding no seam allowance. Next, let's measure the required lace length. Place it against one side of the neckline. The strip should be about 5 to 6 centimeters longer than the edge. We need 2 identical strips like this. Now watch closely and follow along with me. Trim the lace at the base into long triangular shapes. Place the lace pieces right sides together with the main garment on both sides. Here is a crucial sewing life hack. Make sure the lace pattern matches perfectly on both sides for seamless symmetry. Otherwise, the neat look will be lost. Pin the lace all along the neckline and head over to the sewing machine. And here is the main secret to a perfectly smooth seam. Stitch strictly from the lace side. Since the neckline is cut on the bias, the bottom fabric will ease in slightly. This prevents the neckline from stretching out or warping. Now make a small snip right in the bottom corner of the V shape. Snip as close to the stitch line as possible, but be extremely careful not to cut the thread. Finish the seam edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch. Turn the lace over to the right side, keeping the seam allowance inside. At this stage, pressing the seam thoroughly with an iron is a must. Wow, look at how clean that looks. Now, on the right side, sew an edge stitch right along the border, just 1 millimeter away. That is it. The front part is completely finished. Now let's move to the back piece. We will finish its neckline with a 4 cm wide bias tape. Fold the tape in half, press it, and stitch it to the neckline. Then press the seam allowance toward the bias tape and sew an understitch 1 mm from the edge. Here's the smart trick. This stitch keeps the bias tape from rolling out when you wear it. Now give the bias tape a good press toward the inside. We won't top stitch it from the outside, keeping it totally invisible and clean. All that is left is to join the shoulder seams. Pin the back and front shoulders together, folding the bias tape back. Then wrap the end of the bias tape over the front shoulder, pin again, and sew the seams. Finish the raw edges using a serger or a zigzag stitch. Turn it right side out, and that is it. Just look at how incredibly beautiful this turned out. The inside is flawlessly clean. The lace lies perfectly flat, and the whole process was so easy. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Check out our other lessons on high-end garment finishing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorials.